Pleasant day to everyone. So for this video, I'll be discussing or explaining rule number 35, sound signals in restricted visibility. In or near an area of restricted visibility, whether by day or night, the signals prescribed in this rule shall be used as follows. Letter A. A power-driven vessel making way through the water shall sound at intervals of not more than 2 minutes one prolonged blast. Letter B. A power-driven vessels underway but stopped and making no way through the water shall sound at intervals of not more than 2 minutes two prolonged blast in succession with an interval of about 2 seconds between them. Letter C. A vessel not under command, a vessel restricted in her ability to maneuver, a vessel constrained by her draught, a sailing vessel, a vessel engaged in fishing, and a vessel engaged in towing or pushing another vessel shall instead of the signals prescribed in paragraph A or B of this rule sound at intervals of not more than 2 minutes, 3 blasts in succession, namely one prolonged followed by 2 short blasts. Paragraph letter D. A vessel engaged in fishing when at anchor and a vessel restricted in her ability to maneuver when carrying out her work at anchor shall, instead of a signals prescribed in a paragraph G of this rule, sound the signal prescribed in paragraph C of this rule. A vessel towed, or if more than one vessel is towed, the last vessel of the tow, if manned, shall at an interval of not more than 2 minutes sound 4 blasts in succession, namely one prolonged followed by 3 short blasts. With practicable, these signals shall be made immediately after the signals made by the towing vessels. Letter F. When a pushing vessel and a vessel being pushed ahead are rigidly connected in a composite until they shall be regarded as a power-driven vessel and shall give the signals prescribed in paragraphs A or V of this rule. A vessel at anchor shall, at intervals of not more than 1 minute, ring the bell rapidly for about 5 seconds. In a vessel of 100 meters or more in length, the bell shall be sounded in 4 parts of the vessel, and immediately after the ringing of the bell, the gong shall be sounded rapidly for about 5 seconds in the after part of the vessel. A vessel at anchor may in addition sound 3 blasts in succession, namely one short, one prolonged, and one short blast, to give warning of her position and of the possibility of the collision to an approaching vessel. I. A vessel of 12 meters or more than but less than 20 meters in length shall not be obliged to give the bell signals prescribed in paragraph G and H of this rule. However, if she does not, she shall make some other efficient sound signals at intervals of not more than 2 minutes. Letter J. A vessel of less than 12 meters in length shall not be obliged to give the above mentioned signals, but if she does not, shall make some other efficient sound signals at intervals of not more than 2 minutes. Last paragraph, letter K. A pilot vessel, when engaged on pilotage duty, may, in addition to the signal prescribed in paragraph A, B, or G of this rule, sound and identify signals consisting of 4 short blasts. So that would be all for this rule, and thank you for watching.